I'm 𝗟𝗘𝗧'𝗦. I'm from 𝗟𝗦 University in Burlington, Vermont. So I'm interning at 𝗟𝗘𝗧'𝗦. It's a event/cafe. Beautiful, great place to work, have a great time. And it's in Berlin. Great little area, great city, great experience. It's in 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗓, which is a small suburb of Berlin, and it's beautiful. So I'm a business major at St. Mike's, and I'm doing an econ minor. And what brings me here is I'm a semester ahead in my academics, so I had a great opportunity to come study abroad and do an internship here, which was a great opportunity, and it fits in with my major, and it's been great. So some of my tasks that I've been doing is a lot of computer work, which is fun. I've been doing a lot of Excel. We had an old software, and we're importing the old software to a new software, which is a whole new experience for me because I've not done much in this topic, but it's really cool to learn and play around with the new software and learn from others of my coworkers. And yeah, so I have a lot of great colleagues here, mostly all German, very friendly and get along very well, very easy to work with, just great to work with overall. I'm trying to learn German, but I'm not great, but mostly workday is all in English, which is helpful for me, but I wish I could learn some more German here. That's a hard thing to think about, but definitely something in the field of business. Definitely this internship definitely is going to help me on my resume and put me out there in internship abroad, which is huge, and like learning the culture in different countries of the world and experiencing how here in Germany can be totally different than a company in the US. So it's really cool to learn all about the company side and how companies run here. Not really, like I thought there would be a big difference in like language barrier, but there's really been no issues with that, and it's overall great. So great experience so far. So we have a good group of AIFS students here. I have created many great friendships here that would hopefully last a long time, and excited to visit back in Berlin and hopefully visit with them in the future. My best advice was, if you have the opportunity, definitely do it, because I was hesitant on coming, but don't regret it one bit, and it's a great experience, great to put on your resume, and don't regret it at all.